Who said you cannot do your makeup under 15 minutes or 20 minutes? Hold on, let me plug you to the fastest makeup I have ever done. And honestly, I did this makeup with little products. All I did is, after prepping my face, after doing my face prep, applying my primer and every other thing, I just apply my foundation. I blend that in. I did not use contour. I just used my liquid blush. After applying my liquid blush, I just blend that in. See, in this makeup, I did not use highlighter. Honestly speaking, I did not highlight my face. Because, see, more like this is the first time I'm trying this method. I wanted to try something new, to see how far I can go, to see how well it can come out, to see what I can achieve with it. And honestly, it gave me, I'll give this look a 10 over 10 because it saved my time and everything, right? I just applied my liquid blush. I blend that in. I made sure I blend that very well, right? So that there will not be any harsh line. And instead of going in with my highlighter, that's my liquid highlighter, I just went in with my setting powder. But before going in with my setting powder, I made sure that my foundation is seamless. There's no crack. There's nothing that will make the makeup to start to break. And what I did when I started applying my highlighter, it's more like I am applying my setting powder and I am baking my face at the same time. What did I do? Once I picked my setting powder, I dusted the excess of my palm, right? I just dust it off my palm to make it to be seamless. Then I started applying it. I did two things at the same time. I was setting my face and I was baking my face at the same time, right? After doing that, I just went ahead to do my eyebrow. I did my eyebrow off camera. I just went ahead to do my eyebrow and conceal my eyebrow before blending my highlighter, right? I've done my eyebrow. I just came back in and started blending the highlighter. That's just what I did, nothing more. I was going to church and I don't have much time. I just decided okay, let me try what could go wrong, right? What could go wrong? And moreover, I have dropped a detailed eyebrow tutorial on my channel and I'll be tagging it. I'll be dropping the link in the caption below so that you go back and watch the detail. It's well detailed for a beginner. Even if you are not a beginner but you're still finding it difficult to draw your eyebrow, you will understand it, right? After blending in the setting powder that I used to set my face and bake my face at the same time, I just said, okay, I love my blush to pop out. So what I did is I just applied another powdered blush to bring out the popness of the blush. Jesus, English. I just apply more and then set my face, did my lips, and that's it. And that is it. Honestly, I am posting this video without editing it because I want you guys to see how it's really looks. This is the finished look. Honestly, I was impressed. I was so much impressed, honestly. So you can do your makeup under 15 to 20 minutes when you are in a hurry. You don't need to do too much, and this is it. Let me know if you try out this look, and let me know if this look very good. And also, if you're not my subscriber, I guess there's a good time for you to subscribe because I'll be dropping so many tutorials and many hacks on makeup. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.